Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be going to give someone a free card, whoever will be going to do something which I will be asking them to do. So yes, let me just pick up a car. Maybe the R32 will be great for the giveaway, as it already do have 414 HP, like something which every new player or current players do like. So we should really go in public and tell them to do something for us. So we are into the public lobby right now. So I have an idea, like I will be going to Donut, then sitting over there and going to text or chat in the public, like telling people that first people to come over here and dance in front of my car will be getting this car for free. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I guess I made a mistake with the spelling, maybe for using the voice. So let it go. And let's wait over here and see who will be the first person to appear over here and dance. Let me just look over the map and see. Oh, like a lot of people are coming. Let's see who will be dancing. So we can see the first person have already appeared over here and see that if he is going to listen to us and dance. Like, wait, let him dance properly. Yeah, so Sonic, congrats. You are the winner of the R32. Nissan, let me just figure out where is he. Like, oh, it's on the top. I really didn't notice that. Congrats, bro. So the car have already been sold to him, and if you guys really want this type of videos more, I will be making more if you guys really want. Alright, thanks for